By 2030, nearly every job you know could vanish. AI isn't coming, it's already here, reshaping work. Only a handful of careers will survive. Are you ready for the shock? We are at the dawn of a radical transformation of humans, a change so complex that no one on Earth can fully predict it. Almost 90% of college students now rely on AI chatbots to help with homework, and more vulnerable people are turning to these systems for emotional support. Entry-level jobs are disappearing at an alarming rate. Experts predict half of white-collar entry-level positions could vanish in just a few years, and unemployment could rise dramatically. Many still underestimate the magnitude of this AI revolution. It's not like print, it's not like the Industrial Revolution of the 19th century. This is the first technology in history that can make decisions on its own and create ideas independently. The consequences are hard to imagine. If we discovered suddenly that 1 billion extra people with PhDs were willing to work almost for free, society would face unimaginable disruption. Jobs we once thought secure, accountants, graphic designers, video editors, even lawyers, are all at risk. Routine, repetitive work, especially in offices, is disappearing first. If your job is predictable and repetitive, it's at risk in the next few years. AI can do the work of multiple people in the same time it takes one person to finish a task. For example, answering letters that once took 25 minutes can now take just 5 minutes. That means fewer people are needed, and this trend is spreading across industries. Even if AI doesn't replace jobs entirely, it reduces the number of humans required. Yet not all jobs will vanish. Tasks that require empathy, human judgment, and creativity are harder to automate. Nurses who comfort children or teachers guiding students rely on emotional intelligence and social interaction. Jobs like these will adapt rather than disappear. But the broader trend is clear: human skills themselves are at risk of erosion. We are entering an era where AI may surpass human intelligence, achieving superintelligence. In such a world, what unique contributions remain for humans? The answer lies in experience, creativity, and connection. AI can process information faster, analyze data, and even create art, but it cannot taste ice cream, feel joy, or understand the depth of human emotion. Driving, one of the largest professions globally, will soon be dominated by autonomous vehicles. Delivery drivers, taxi drivers, and logistics workers are all at risk. Physical labor and routine cognitive work are being automated, and humanoid robots are coming. Experts predict that by 2040, billions of robots could be walking among us, delivering packages, assisting in hospitals, and performing countless tasks that humans once did. At first, it will feel strange, even unsettling, but humans adapt. The extraordinary becomes ordinary. The key for humans is to focus on skills AI cannot replicate. Emotional intelligence, social skills, creativity, storytelling, and problem-solving will define our value. Understanding how to listen, resolve conflicts, nurture relationships, and communicate effectively will become critical. These are the skills that allow humans to inspire, create, and connect in ways AI never can. Entrepreneurs, creators, and innovators will rely on these uniquely human abilities. AI can augment work, provide data, and analyze trends, but it cannot replace the human capacity to dream, to persevere, and to grow through failure. The journey of building something by hand, whether a business, a book, or a piece of art, is where growth happens. The scars, the mistakes, and the lessons are what make humans indispensable. AI offers efficiency and abundance, but it also threatens to erode the very humanity that makes life meaningful. Tasks are becoming easier, but patience, perseverance, and empathy are at risk of disappearing. We must take responsibility as individuals and communities to develop human skills even as technology progresses. AI can be a friend, an assistant, or a teacher, but it cannot replace true human connection. For healthcare, education, and the arts, AI can make people more efficient and provide greater access to services. Doctors could be 5 times more productive, offering more care at lower cost. Yet the human touch, comforting, understanding, guiding, cannot be replaced. And in many fields, this is exactly where humans will remain valuable. So which jobs will survive AI's unstoppable rise? Experts agree there are only 5 roles humans will still dominate by 2030. First, anything requiring deep emotional intelligence, like psychologists or therapists, will remain uniquely human. Machines can simulate empathy, but they cannot truly feel it. Second, jobs demanding creative originality writers, artists, and designers will be resistant, because AI can imitate style, but cannot originate the deeply human spark of imagination. Third, leadership roles that require moral judgment and the ability to inspire people, CEOs, managers, and politicians will still need human intuition and accountability. Fourth, healthcare roles that combine physical skill with compassion, like nurses and surgeons, will endure because human touch and decision-making are irreplaceable. Finally, skilled trades that require complex motor skills and adaptability, like electricians, plumbers, and craftsmen, are unlikely to be fully automated. These 5 roles share a common thread. They rely on qualities that machines cannot replicate: empathy, creativity, judgment, and adaptability. And while AI will transform these industries, humans will still provide the soul, insight, and heart behind every action. But now imagine the rest. The thousands of jobs that will disappear, almost overnight. Picture office floors emptied, factories automated, delivery trucks running without drivers, and assistants replaced by AI that never sleeps. Millions will wake up in a world where their skills are no longer valuable. The pressure will be immense. Society will have to adapt faster than ever before. Families, communities, and even governments will face unprecedented challenges. Will we be ready, or will the shock overwhelm us? Think about the students entering college today. By the time they graduate, the world of work could be unrecognizable. The job they are preparing for might not exist. They will need to pivot, adapt, and find entirely new paths. Those who cling to old routines will be left behind, struggling to compete against AI that can do the same work faster, cheaper, and better. And what about human creativity and social connection? If AI can simulate conversation, provide emotional support, and even produce art, what will remain uniquely human? The stakes are not just economic, they are deeply personal. Our sense of purpose, identity, and fulfillment is tied to what we do and contribute. As AI takes over tasks, the pressure will shift to mastering skills machines cannot replicate: empathy, originality, moral judgment, and adaptability. These will be the lifelines of the workforce, the traits that define success in 2030. The reality is chilling. Most of what we consider stable employment today may vanish. And yet, this pressure is also an opportunity, a call to evolve, to strengthen uniquely human skills, and to embrace roles that require the depth of thought, compassion, and creativity only humans can provide. The future is not waiting, and the countdown has already begun. The question is, will you prepare, or will you be left behind? Imagine standing at the edge of a cliff, looking out over a world that feels familiar yet utterly transformed. The cities are buzzing with robots, drones, and AI-driven systems, each performing tasks humans once thought essential. Your skills, your routines, your knowledge, they are being measured against algorithms that never tire, never sleep, never falter. Every email you send, every report you prepare, every decision you make can be done faster, cheaper, better by a machine. But here's the twist. Humans still hold something machines can never touch: intuition, emotion, curiosity, and unpredictability. It's a rare power, like a secret treasure buried in plain sight, waiting for those who dare to claim it. The pressure is mounting. You see your colleagues struggling to keep up, some embracing AI, others resisting, and the line between survival and obsolescence has never been thinner. Every choice you make today echoes into the future. Will you learn to wield AI like a sword, shaping your destiny, or will you watch passively as it carves out new rules and leaves you behind? Picture classrooms emptied of traditional learning, replaced by AI tutors that know each student better than the student knows themselves. Imagine workplaces where your role is constantly evaluated against an invisible standard, and the margin for error shrinks daily. The thrill of this new world is matched only by the fear. It's exhilarating, terrifying, and intoxicating all at once. Every conversation, every skill you master, every connection you nurture becomes a lifeline. The future is not a distant horizon. It is unfolding in real time. And those who move first, who think beyond the obvious, who embrace the strange and unpredictable, will dominate. The rest will be swept aside in the tidal wave of change. This is the moment where ordinary humans have the chance to become extraordinary, but only if they dare to act, to adapt, and to transform themselves before it's too late. This is a pivotal moment in history. We are witnessing not just the automation of tasks, but the reshaping of society and the human experience itself. To thrive, we must embrace AI as a tool while cultivating the uniquely human qualities that machines cannot emulate. Our creativity, our empathy, our ability to inspire and connect, these are what will define us in the age of AI. If you found this insight valuable, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on how technology is shaping our future. Stay informed, stay human, and stay ahead.